Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to remove roads in Township. So whether you're aiming for a new layout or just clearing space, I'm going to walk you through how to remove roads in Township. So number one, enter the edit mode. So go ahead and tap on the blue 4-arrow icon. Okay, the blue 4-arrow icon. All right, so instead of the blue 4-arrow icon, just long press your screen, long press any part of your screen, and you're going to see the edit mode option. This means you're ready to remove something. All right, so you're ready to remove something. Now from here, you're just going to have to locate at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap on the road icon. Now you see that. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that here, and I'm going to long press something again. Okay, let's say this is a road. All right, and I want to remove this road, so I'm going to long press it. Save. So let's say I cannot edit roads in this particular level that I'm in. I'm just literally in level 3. So let's say if you've gotten to a level where you can edit road, just go ahead and highlight the road. And once you highlight the road, then the edit tool will be open. So just for example, like this, I'm going to use an example of a house. So I'm going to long press it, and you have the edit mode. So now with this edit mode, I can move this house to another direction or just take it back in, and I use the good icon. So you see that the roads, I can actually not move the roads. And see, I tried to move this one, and it said I have to restore the airport to move that. I tried to move this one, and it said this one cannot be moved. So a couple of them cannot be moved, and some of these restrictions are based on the fact that I'm not gotten to the level where I can now start removing roads or editing roads. But that's how it works. So just go ahead and long press the road and then choose the segment you wish to remove. Then once you do that, the edit tool will show. Just go ahead and click on and then move it, or just click on the X to remove it, and it's going to be removed. So that's pretty much how it works. So to just select all the road segments that you want to delete and tap on the green check mark. So for example, this is what I want to remove. So once you select it, you can now click on the green check mark, and that's just going to be moved. That's how it works. So plan ahead before removing roads. Consider how you redesign the area to ensure a smooth transition. Now, if buildings are obstructing your road removal, move them to temporary storage by tapping and holding the building, then selecting the storage option. Don't be afraid to try different road configurations to find the most aesthetically pleasing or functional design for your town. Now, go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.